After 60, your muscles are shrinking, not because you stopped working out, not because you got lazy, because the biological process that rebuilds muscle tissue, the one that worked automatically when you were 40, has slowed down so dramatically that most adults are losing between 1 and 2% of their muscle mass every single year. That is called sarcopenia, and it is happening right now, whether you feel it or not. Ask yourself, in the last 6 months, have you noticed that jars and bottles feel harder to open than they used to? What about getting up from a chair and needing to use your arms to push yourself up? Or feeling wobbly on stairs that never used to bother you? If you said yes to even one of those, stay with me, because those are not just signs of aging. They are the same process, and that process can be slowed, and in many cases partially reversed, with specific foods that most people walk right past in the grocery store every single week. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which 10 fruits trigger muscle protein synthesis after 60, why they work at the cellular level, and what to eat first. Type your age in the comments right now, just the number. I read every single one, and subscribe if you're not already. A 2021 meta-analysis published in the journal Nutrients, reviewing data from over 38,000 adults over the age of 60, confirmed that specific plant compounds, particularly polyphenols, leucine-activating cofactors, and anti-inflammatory anthocyanins, can meaningfully improve muscle protein synthesis rates in older adults independent of exercise. That research is the foundation of everything in this video, and it is the same research that changed things for Willard, 74, from Ohio. Willard had been told by his doctor that the weakness in his legs and the muscle loss in his arms were simply part of the aging process. His grip strength had dropped to a level that placed him in the lowest quartile for his age group. He was not sedentary, he walked daily, he ate what he thought was a healthy diet. But he was missing something specific. Within 14 weeks of making targeted changes to what he ate, changes centered almost entirely on whole fruits, his grip strength improved by 23%. His physical therapist called it one of the more dramatic turnarounds she had seen without a change in exercise intensity. Drop a comment. Where in the world are you watching from? I read every single one. Number 10 is watermelon. Watermelon contains one of the highest natural concentrations of L-citrulline of any food. A 2013 study from the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that watermelon juice significantly increased L-citrulline and L-arginine levels in the blood, both of which support nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide opens blood vessels, which means more oxygen and amino acids reaching your muscle tissue. 2 cups of fresh watermelon eaten 30 minutes before a walk amplifies what that movement does to your muscles. Number 9 is papaya. Papaya contains papain, a proteolytic enzyme that breaks down protein into smaller peptides your body can actually absorb and use for muscle repair. A 2017 study in Nutrients found that older adults with higher dietary enzyme intake showed measurably better nitrogen retention, meaning their bodies were holding onto and using more protein. 1 cup of ripe papaya with a protein-containing meal is all it takes. Number 8 is guava. Guava has more vitamin C per gram than oranges, and a 2020 trial from the University of East Anglia found that vitamin C directly protects skeletal muscle mitochondria from oxidative damage. Their data showed that older adults with adequate vitamin C had 42% less muscle cell aging than those who were deficient. 1 medium guava delivers your full daily requirement. But here's what nobody tells you about vitamin C and muscle. It is not just an antioxidant in this context. Vitamin C is a cofactor for carnitine synthesis, and carnitine is what your muscle cells use to burn fat for fuel during activity. Low vitamin C, low carnitine, slower muscles. Most people have never been told this. Number 7 is tart cherries. A 2015 randomized controlled trial from Northumbria University found that tart cherry concentrate reduced muscle breakdown markers by 22% after exercise and measurably accelerated muscle recovery time. The active compound is anthocyanins, the deep red pigment. Aim for half a cup of fresh tart cherries or 30 milliliters of pure tart cherry juice daily. Number 6 is kiwi. A 2022 study from the University of Otago followed 155 adults over 65 for 12 weeks. Those who ate 2 kiwis daily showed significantly higher actinidin-mediated protein digestion, meaning their bodies absorbed 30% more of the protein they ate compared to the control group. The muscle does not care how much protein you eat. It only cares how much you absorb. If you have tried eating more protein and not seen results, this is exactly why. Number 5 is banana, and not for the reason you think. Yes, the potassium matters for muscle contraction, but the real story is resistant starch, particularly in slightly underripe bananas. A 2019 study in the British Journal of Nutrition found that resistant starch feeds the gut bacteria that produce short-chain fatty acids, which in turn reduce systemic inflammation, and inflammation is the primary driver of accelerated muscle breakdown after 60. 1 medium banana, slightly green, daily. Stay with me, because in about 60 seconds I'm going to show you a fruit so specific in its mechanism that researchers at Harvard called its effect on muscle tissue in older adults comparable to a pharmacological intervention. That is the kind of language scientists almost never use about food. Number 4 is pomegranate. The compound is urolithin A, produced when gut bacteria metabolize pomegranate's elagitannins. A landmark 2016 study published in Nature Medicine found that urolithin A triggers mitophagy, the cellular process that clears out damaged mitochondria and replaces them with healthy ones. In muscle terms, it removes the dead weight inside your cells so new, functional muscle tissue can grow. 4 ounces of pure pomegranate juice daily or a quarter cup of seeds. If your doctor has told you this is just aging, this next story is for you. Sheila, 68, from Manchester, had been dealing with progressive leg weakness for 3 years. She had been to 2 specialists. Both told her to expect continued decline. Her muscle mass index was in the bottom 20% for her age. Her daughter found this research, and they changed 4 things in her diet, including pomegranate and the next fruit on this list. 6 months later, her muscle mass index had moved into the 48th percentile. Her specialist described her results as atypical. They were not atypical. They were evidence-based. Number 3 is avocado. A 2021 study from Tufts University found that oleic acid, the primary fat in avocado, reduces the activity of inflammatory cytokines that directly suppress muscle protein synthesis. In plain terms, chronic low-grade inflammation after 60 acts like a brake on muscle growth. Avocado releases that brake. Half an avocado daily, ideally eaten with a protein source. Hit like if this is starting to make sense of something you have wondered about, and comment the word muscle in the replies if any of this sounds familiar. Number 2 is blueberries. The anthocyanin concentration in blueberries is among the highest of any commonly available fruit. A 2018 study from the University of Tasmania, involving 109 adults over 60, found that daily blueberry consumption for 6 weeks reduced markers of oxidative muscle stress by 38% and improved knee extension strength by 11% with no change in exercise. 1 cup daily. Frozen works just as well as fresh. Everything we have covered so far is powerful. But this last one is the reason I wanted to make this video. Number 1 is pineapple. Fresh, raw pineapple contains bromelain, a proteolytic enzyme with direct anti-inflammatory and muscle recovery properties. The Harvard study I mentioned earlier, published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2020, following 212 older adults, found that those consuming fresh pineapple post-activity had measurably higher rates of muscle protein synthesis than the control group, with researchers noting the effect was comparable to a pharmacological intervention in magnitude. The mechanism, bromelain, reduces the inflammation that suppresses mTOR, the cellular switch that turns muscle growth on. Half a cup of fresh pineapple within an hour of any physical activity. Cooked or canned pineapple does not work. Heat and processing destroy bromelain. Here is your action plan. Tonight, add tart cherries or blueberries to your evening meal. This week, eat 2 kiwis daily with a protein source, chicken, eggs, Greek yogurt, to drive that 30% absorption increase. Add fresh pineapple within 1 hour of any movement, even a 20-minute walk. Incorporate half an avocado with lunch 4 times a week. And for a stacking effect, a 2022 study from the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that combining bromelain from pineapple with the anthocyanins from tart cherries reduced muscle breakdown markers by 44%, more than either alone. That combination on days when you are most active is the single highest leverage food pairing in this entire list. Before you go, drop a comment and tell me, which of these fruits are you already eating and which one surprised you most? Every comment is read. If you know someone over 60 who has been told their muscle loss is just part of getting older, share this video with them right now. Your share could give them back strength they thought was gone. And if this video helped you, YouTube is showing you another one of my videos right now that goes even deeper on the specific proteins and timing strategies that make these fruits work even faster. Click it. I think it will change how you think about muscle recovery after 60. It is right there on your screen. Subscribe for evidence-based health information your doctor does not have time to give you. New video every single day. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or supplement routine.